I created these incredible AI renovation videos quickly and easily using my favorite video editor, and this niche is exploding right now. Some creators are getting millions of views from a single upload. Let me show you a few examples. One video uploaded just a month ago reached over 12 million views. Another channel has multiple videos with millions of views, while newer creators are consistently getting tens of thousands of views within days. Open the link in my video description. On my website, you'll find this tutorial along with a powerful master prompt that I created after extensive testing. One of the best features of this prompt is that it's fully customizable. Simply adjust the duration and scene count to match your project. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you submit the prompt, ChatGPT will generate multiple abandoned restoration ideas. Examples include abandoned airplane, cargo ship, underground train tunnel, school bus, submarine, mountain bunker, and many more. You can select one of these ideas or write your own custom concept. For example, transform an abandoned crashed Boeing airplane into a luxury jungle treehouse mansion. After selecting your idea, ChatGPT analyzes it and automatically creates a detailed video structure. It generates main phases, section headings, scene breakdown, image prompts, motion prompts. The AI usually generates 5 scenes at a time. Simply type Next to continue generating the remaining scenes until your entire project is complete. Now copy the image prompt for scene 1. Open Google Flow and paste the prompt. Choose Nano Banana Pro, Image Mode, 16:9 aspect ratio, 1x image quality. Generate the image. For scene 2, paste the next image prompt, but also upload the previous image as a reference. This keeps the design consistent throughout your story. Repeat this same workflow for every scene, so each image naturally continues from the previous one. Now open Wondershare Filmora. Go to AI Media and choose Image to Video. Filmora offers several generation models. Select your preferred model and upload the first image. Return to ChatGPT and copy the motion prompt for scene 1. Paste it into Filmora's prompt box. Choose your clip duration, 5, 10, or 15 seconds, and click Generate. Within moments, your cinematic video clip will be ready. The camera movement looks incredibly professional, creating dramatic drone shots, smooth zooms, and immersive cinematic motion. Repeat this process for every image using its matching motion prompt. Once all your video clips are finished, import them into Filmora's timeline. Arrange every scene in the correct order. Now enhance your project with smooth transitions between clips. Transitions make the transformation feel seamless and significantly improve the viewing experience. Next, add background music that matches the emotional journey of the restoration. Keep the music volume balanced so it enhances the visuals without becoming distracting. You can also add extra sound effects to create a richer ASMR experience. Using royalty-free sound effects is always a smart choice to avoid potential copyright or monetization issues. Creating these videos used to be extremely difficult. After spending countless hours testing AI tools and workflows, I've simplified the entire process so anyone can create professional quality restoration videos. Now it's your turn. I've shared the complete workflow. The only thing left is consistent action. Don't expect overnight success. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep uploading. With dedication, creativity, and consistency, you can build a channel that attracts massive audiences and creates real opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends.